In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy coins on eBay. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can go from browsing to checkout with confidence. Start on the eBay homepage and head straight to the search bar at the top. Type the word coins and press enter. Using a broad search term like this is helpful when you're just exploring because it shows you a wide range of options, from collectible pieces to everyday coin lots. Now, browse through the results and choose the coins that catch your eye. Take your time on this part. Open a listing to see the full details. Look closely at the photos, read the description for condition notes, mint year, and any certifications, and check the price alongside shipping costs and estimated delivery dates. It's also a good idea to glance at the seller's feedback and return policy so you know what to expect. If everything looks good and the item is exactly what you want, you're ready to move forward. When you're set on a specific listing, click Buy It Now. This option lets you purchase the item immediately at the listed price, skipping any bidding. Before you proceed, make sure the quantity is correct and that the shipping method and total look right. If the listing has variations, confirm you've selected the exact one you want. At checkout, choose PayPal as your payment method. You'll see it alongside other options, but PayPal is a quick and secure way to complete your purchase. Selecting PayPal will prepare your order so you can authorize payment safely without entering your card details directly on the seller's page. Next, click Pay with PayPal to finalize. Take a moment to review the order summary, item price, shipping, taxes, and the delivery address. So, everything is accurate. When you confirm, your payment is processed and the order is placed. You should see a confirmation screen on eBay, and you'll typically receive an email receipt as well. Keep that confirmation handy in case you want to track shipping or reference the order later. And that's it. You searched for coins, selected the ones you liked, used Buy It Now for an instant purchase, chose PayPal at checkout, and click Pay with PayPal to complete the order. With these steps, you'll be able to shop efficiently and securely. If you're collecting, consider saving searches and sellers you trust so future purchases are even faster. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new coins.